See, I'm telling you, I'm making the components right now. I can prove it's real. These are all different forms of anti-materialistic effects or time travel. This, and then you got the dampening version of it. Then you got the anode and cathodes and transistor variant of it, which makes another thing exactly like electricity. You got the filter and condensation and other things that you'd have right here. Then you'd have this be mathematics, you know what I mean? Mathematical algorithms running through the code itself or some shit. This would be radiological mathematics and subliminal trans-dimensional or interdimensional ascendance. And this would be dampening, so this would be probably with this. I'm just trying to figure out where to put all the components. Because these... I'm putting together the forces that will control. So this would be fire and condensation right here. This would be, you know what I mean? And then this will probably be one of the paradigmistic paths for technology and variations of it that I was going to make for it. And this is how they would actually fit. So what they would be doing, you know what I mean? So this would be radiation, and then you'd have fire. You'd have fire in this. You know what I mean? I'm making the components for each of the variations of the technologies. And each one will have its own operating systems. I have more to put into it. I'm still working on it. But this is radiation, fire, and this probably goes into other things like a radiological computer system, decay wave pulse width modulator with double slit experiment particle wave effect of radiation decay and channel funneling, other things. So it turns into electricity, another form of electricity. This is space. I have some things that I'm going to be designing for this that will actually allow this to work as electricity too, so that's zero sum right there. Wave, toroid, wave field mathematics and other things. And then you got condensation and this is dampening right here. So this should be right down here with this, because it's condensation and dampening. But each of them have different variations of them in the technologies.